If you ever stared at a blank slide, dreading the hours it takes to turn your ideas into a presentation that actually looks good, Prezi AI's craft feature builds a fully designed, ready-to-present deck for you in seconds just by chatting with it. Alrighty folks, we're here on Prezi, better presentations faster with AI. The website here at Prezi.com's really nice straight off the bat. As you can see here, we've got all sorts of reviews, presentations and everything you need to see about an AI website right here. So we're basically going to take you through today and show you a few bits. First things first, you can actually go ahead and get started there. You've got the pricing all up the top as well. Plus, you can log into your account, which we've just done here. So this is your AI presentation designer. Just describe what you want. You can upload, add your file, and we can actually use that as a reference. You can upload your PowerPoint as well, and they'll convert it into a Prezi, which is pretty cool. Add your style and brand in, do all that good stuff. For now, we're going to be creating a professional presentation for a fictional AI productivity startup called Novaflow AI. So we're basically giving it all the nice little prompts. It's not too in-depth, just little things like highlighting the key features and benefits, including a price schedule, so it doesn't have to be too over the top. So as we can see, Prezi is doing its stuff right now, and I like how our designer has a little name, Tabletona. So bang, it just pops up right there. We've got 12 slides, automate, innovate, accelerate, and I actually love the imagery and the graphs it's chosen to use. Have a look at this. The color schemes really way. So often with AI, you don't really get the exact color schemes you're after. The synchronization doesn't always work, and you always have to spend a fair bit of time like manually editing stuff. What I've noticed with the generations on Prezi is that it actually gets a lot of it right for how an actual human would want to view slides really nicely. So just little things that are going to take extra time, like the color contrast, so I'm actually really liking it. If you did want to modify it, you can say something like this. Make the presentation bolder and more visually engaging. Use stronger visual hierarchy, more confident typography, and a more dynamic presentation style while keeping the content professional. Let's get to it. Now we can pop that in there. So as you can see, we're logged into our premium account. What do you guys think? Automate, innovate, accelerate. Automatically, the color schemes do seem a lot bolder and more relevant, perhaps slightly more professional, hitting the spot. I actually didn't mind how it looked before, but it's actually looking really good now as well. But you guys let me know in the comments. What do you reckon? There's heaps of different things you can do here. It's got the pricing plans. That's exactly what we asked for. So really impressive. Again, you can upload different images, mess around with the text, the shapes, and cool design suggestions as well. So let's go in here. You've got an add file section, which is super handy. You can upload stuff locally, and for example here we've got our logo for Novaflow AI. Use the uploaded Novaflow AI logo as the brand reference for this presentation. Create a cohesive palette inspired by the logo and apply it consistently across the presentation. Keep the design modern, professional, and suitable for an AI tech company. So again, you've got your own logo, Ron. Maybe you already had the logo, or maybe you've just designed it. Chuck it right in here, let's get it on the slide, and let's see how good the AI designer on Prezi is at implementing our existing logo. This is going to be really important, because I know a lot of you lot might already have your logos and are thinking, how do I implement that branding onto the slides? Do I really want to do that? No stress, that's sorted. As you can see, the colours have already been implemented right here. We've got those blues, those very dark navy blues, as well as those sort of black colours too. So dark contrasting with the white. Have a look. It's all here. We can see it right now. Everything's been integrated really nicely. Look at this here. Novaflow AI. Bang, from page 1. That's absolutely massive and looks fantastic. Look at this. All the colour schemes have been included really nicely here too. Autonomous workflows, multimodal intelligence, governance and ethical AI. Everything's been employed. I mean, how good is this generation? Again, I just want you guys to let me know. Get in that comments section and let us know what you think about this generation here. So if you want to scan to open this presentation on your phone, I love how that pops up in the bottom right corner as well. Now, the thing that you've got to realize is that Prezi doesn't just help you make the presentation, it actually supports the full presentation lifecycle. After the deck is actually created, you can actually present it. You can go ahead and explain sections to your audience. You can generate a quiz. You can create a narrated video or even a podcast, and even provide a transcript so people can keep engaging with the content even after the presentation. So there's just a lot of reasons why you'd want to get amongst Prezi and really just start using them. They're a solid platform all around. Allow camera access if you want to do that too. different sections about the plans. I mean, this looks extremely professional. I mean, what do you reckon? You can, of course, share it however you like as well. So, Prezi AI, what more is there to say? I mean, it's created an incredible slideshow in seconds. We used our own branding there for that AI company. Whether you're in education, marketing, training, sales, tech, or healthcare, you can try it for free today. Get amongst Prezi. It's an absolute ripper. I couldn't recommend it more. If you're sick of wasting hours building presentations from scratch, sign up for free at the link in the description and let Prezi AI create your next deck in seconds. If you enjoyed today's video, take a sec to like, subscribe, comment, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you never miss out on another video. Have a good one.